Here's a step-by-step guide showing you how to change your Google Play Store country. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android or iOS device. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Payment Methods. Tap on More Payment Settings. You will be redirected to your Google Accounts webpage. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. Tap the edit icon next to Country Regions. Tap Create New Profile. Then tap on Continue. Choose the country you want to switch to. Then tap on Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to add a new address. Tap on Submit. Tap on View Profile. That's it.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.